Hi, my name is Samara. I study at UAL in Camberwell and I do fine art computational arts. In my practice, I make digital and traditional art based off of stories that I write myself. And I try to relate it to social issues. A book that I'm working on called Portals is basically about generational trauma, how it's passed down and how we could resolve it, but done in the form of fantasy. So I would make characters and using like Photoshop or 3D sculpting using Nomad and things like that to design them. Today I'm at Somerset House and I'm here for the Now Play This exhibition. Me and my group, we've been working on a Hector story, and that's basically about a 20th century boy who accidentally wishes his emotions away to an enchanted wishing tree. The whole story or moral behind it was the importance of emotions and how we shouldn't ignore how we feel. Since joining this course, my digital skills have improved a lot. I've learned how to use Nomad Sculpt. I had no clue what that was before, and I used that to design my characters. As well, I learned how to use Twine. I've had no clue how to do that. BA Fine Art Computational Art is what you want it to be. They have different topics and things that you can learn, but at the end of the day, it's about what you artistically would like to do, and you can bend it to however you'd like. If I'm doing like sculptures and stuff, I can make it immersive, make it interactive and things like that. Your outcomes can be from immersive installation to VR games. My advice to somebody that is going to start this course is do not be scared to ask questions. Questions. They're so important. If you don't ask, you won't know. And likely, because there's such a wide range of resources, what you're asking for, they will have, or they could at least direct you to somebody who has it or who can help you. So that's what I'd say.